jaji mkuu aliye pia rais wa mahakama ya juu hapa nchini. Karibu Justice Maraga. Karibu sana jaji mkuu.
On behalf of the people of Kakamega, we beseech upon your leadership to kindly find a miraculous way of ensuring that we have harmony among the three arms of government. Because we exist in one country and we cannot run this country isolatedly and autonomously as the different arms of government. And it is that great, your Lordship, that today on behalf of the people of Kakamega and as the Senator for Kakamega, I want to present to you a symbolic gift that is going to motivate you to achieve these days. I have three animals here, representing three arms of government. I want to present to you as a gift, as you go back, these symbolizes unity among the three arms of government. So finally, if you may receive this gift on behalf of the people of Kakamega. Symbolically, just touch the rope. Asante sana.
Hiyo imeniweka kwa shida. Kwanza, if I'm not wrong, Senator ako na case 14, si ndio? I'm not allowed to take a gift which may anything more than 20,000 shillings.